How to glow up in just 1 week. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about how to glow up. Facial cleansing routine. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. Exfoliate regularly. Use a mild exfoliator to remove dead skin cells. Hydrating face mask. Apply a hydrating mask to nourish your skin. Moisturize daily. Keep your skin hydrated with a good moisturizer. Sunscreen protection. Never skip sunscreen to protect against UV rays. Lip scrub for soft lips. Use a lip scrub to keep your lips smooth and soft. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is key for glowing skin. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Regular exercise. Exercise regularly to boost circulation and skin health. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep for skin regeneration. Eye care routine. Use an eye cream to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Whiten your teeth. Use a whitening toothpaste or strips for a bright smile. Well-groomed eyebrows. Keep your eyebrows neat and well-shaped. Manicure and pedicure. Take care of your hands and feet with regular mani-pedis. Hair care routine. Use a good shampoo and conditioner for healthy hair. Nail care. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. Body scrub. Exfoliate your body with a body scrub once a week. Use a face roller. A face roller can help reduce puffiness and improve circulation. Light makeup. Light makeup to enhance your natural beauty. Positive mindset. Remember, confidence and a positive mindset are the ultimate glow-up tools. And that's it for today's video on how to glow up. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.